Hello everyone, in this video I am going to teach you how to use Google Authenticator app for Instagram. If you don't think that your account is safe enough, I suggest adding two-factor authentication on your account to add extra security. It is very easy to set two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator app for your Instagram account. All you have to do is download the Google Authenticator app. To do that, just head to your Play Store and search for it. I already have it installed on my phone, so I don't have to download it. Okay, once you have installed Google Authenticator on your phone, let us go ahead and open Instagram. To use Google Authenticator, what we want to do is go to our profile settings. To do that, just tap our profile icon on the lower right corner of the screen. After that, let us tap these three lines on the upper right corner of the screen. And then let us tap Settings and Privacy. Now, before we continue with the video, make sure to smash that like button, hit subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be notified whenever there are new videos, updates, and other content from our channel. Alright, let us continue with the video. After tapping Settings and Privacy, the next thing we want to do is tap Accounts Center. Inside Accounts Center, we want to look for Password and Security. Okay, let us tap that. Now let us select Two-Factor Authentication. Now let us select our Instagram account. And after that, let us select Authentication app and hit Next. Now all we have to do is copy the key code provided by the app. Okay, the next step that we want to do is go to our Authenticator app and then hit the plus button and then select enter a setup key. Paste the key code that we just copied from Instagram and then let us put the account name, but I will just put Instagram here. Now let us tap add. And also keep in mind that these codes are time-based, so it will change every time the time limit is reached. What we want to copy is the Instagram code. And then let us go to our Instagram app, hit next, and then paste the code. Now you know how to use Google Authenticator on your Instagram account. If this video helped you, then please share it to your friends so you can help them too. Also leave your thoughts on the comment section below, and as always, thank you for watching.